we will have to go with Marco Antonio Barrera in that round 2.
Después de trabajo, sigue tratando de pegarle abajo, ¿ok? Minawa. Minawa. Okay, maintain na. Maintain.
Arms down.
Ito po, tinitignan natin si Manny Pacquiao. Malalim ang kanyang paghinga, mga kapatid. Nakikita natin, hindi ko alam kung ito ay dala ng gigil, okay, or dala ng kanyang epekto ng kanyang pagbababa ng timbang kahapon. There is a furious exchange. Barrera sneaking in. Yes, go ahead.
Chino, ito sinasabi natin, hindi maabutan ni Manny si Barrera, and Barrera's countering very well. Napansin din natin, hinihigal na si Manny, no, very early in this fight, round 2.
Posibleng dahil sa gigil lang.
Ano ang tingin mo?
Posibleng galing dahil sa gigil.
Round number 3 coming up. Marco Antonio Barrera working with that stiff jab, the left jab. Ang ganda ng pasensya ng Marco Antonio Barrera. Manny Pacquiao with that floating shot, left shot, but failed to land against Marco Antonio Barrera.
Manny Pacquiao still has to get his range actually.
Third round na po.
Tinatalo niya pa yung suntok niya.
Oh, hindi pa nga nakakatikim si Barrera nung lakas ng suntok ni Manny.
Doon mo makikita ang respeto ni Manny para kay Barrera. Sabihin mang napagtatatalo o patapos ang kanyang laban. Manny Pacquiao now working and trying to attack Marco Antonio Barrera. But Barrera comes back.
With the right and the left.
Another relaxan moment dito sa round number 3.
Napapansin natin, no?
Kinausap ni Manny Pacquiao si Barrera, may binubulong.
Oo. Mababa ang suntok ngayon. Medyo below the belt. Yung last na suntok na yun. At sininyasan ni Manny Pacquiao si Barrera. Taas mo, Brad. At medyo...
Sport lang tayo rito. Sport lang. Ito mo, nung galaw ni Barrera, circling over to the right hand of Manny Pacquiao to avoid yung left hand ni Manny. That left will have to go a longer distance because Barrera is circling over to the right side ni Manny, which is a way to find
Manny Pacquiao connects with the left. But Barrera counters with the right and hits Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao seems hurt.
Nakatama doon ng kanan si Barrera.
Matalim pa rin yung kanan ni Barrera. An excellent counter ni Barrera against Manny Pacquiao. And they get entangled in the middle of the ring.
Nagkakasakitan na dito yung dalawa.
Tumama yung Barrera na maganda ron.
Oo.
At tininda ni Manny Pacquiao yun. This is only the third round.
Kanan yun, ha? Kanan yung pumasok ni Barrera.
Yes.
But Pacquiao hits him with the left, a floating left. Manny Pacquiao may kasama bang konting gigil. Kita mo yung hinga ni Manny, oh.
Kailangan mababa pa ng konti ni Manny yung suntok niya. Masyadong mataas yung kaliwa.
Dala nga siguro ng gigil ni Manny itong ipinapakita niya, Governor.
Kailangan pasipot ng konting kaliwa na yan.
Siguro konting jab din, no, for Manny, no? He has to be a little more patient. Hindi naman out a punch.
Agree, kailangan tatrabahuhin. Hindi pwedeng isang punch, one punch wonder. Manny Pacquiao is a lot better fighter than what he is doing right now.
Oo. I'm sure Freddie Roach will want him to use that right hand a lot more as a
Good
jab.
right there by Manny.
Pero ang bilis na counter ni Barrera.
Matulis yung mata at matala sa mata ni Barrera.
I think Barrera is now trying to put in last second
pupunta dito?
flurry. Mahirap sabihin, partner ba?
Very close third round. But I think we will have to go with Marco Antonio Barrera.